Yes, Venus in astrology oddly relates to the properties of Venus in the solar system. To start, let's not forget that Venus's orbit literally looks like this. Like, hello? Let's look deeper into it because it gets interesting. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and mass, very reflective like Libra, right? But don't let that fool you. This planet experiences far extreme conditions, extreme like the intensity of love. Its atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, trapping heat in a runaway greenhouse gas effect. It turns the planet into quite literally a sauna. Venus is so hot on its surface that the temperature can reach over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Similar to Venus in astrology, I guess you could say that things are getting a little bit steamy. Let's also not forget about the quasi-satellite called Zoozve. It doesn't really do anything to Venus, it's kind of just chilling, but Zoozve in a weird way is referred to as a companion for Venus, which represents the connection Venus can often bring, whether it's with others or passion projects. Crazier than that, but scientists predict that they're gonna eventually break up. Kind of Venus-like, right? And now let's move on to the properties of Venus. Venus has a solid core. It's very grounded and stable. This core is likely a source of internal heat generated by radioactive decay. The nature of this core is a primary source for the volcanic activity for Venus and its 85,000, yes, 85,000 volcanoes of varying size. Just like love, the heat from within can't help but boil to the surface. I mean, what's the human experience without love? This intense core of Venus gives us a strong link to Taurus in astrology. Even though Venus might have these extreme conditions on the surface, it's steady at its heart, much like Taurus's steady and reliable nature. Let's also note that Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets, taking 243 Earth days to complete one full spin. This slow spin mirrors Taurus's deliberate pace, its ability to take its time, and its steady approach to life. And also, love goes in its own direction, you know? Venus is the brightest planet in our sky because its thick clouds reflect about 70% of the sunlight that hits it. But its glow isn't constant. It changes based on how close Venus is to the Earth and the Sun in its orbit. At its peak, it is literally bright enough to cast shadows, and it is admired by people on Earth, being the brightest planet in the night sky. That shifting brilliance mirrors Libra's nature. It's responsive, socially attuned, and always adjusting to find balance. And let's not forget, it's literally eye-catching. And the asteroids orbiting near Venus, they're like jewels in its cosmic orbit. These small bodies add something subtle but important to Venus's atmosphere and orbit, similar to how Libra adorns with detail that brings beauty and balance to the world. Also, these asteroids may contribute to the zodiacal dust ring surrounding Venus, which contributes subtly to its glow. Libra is what shines, balances, and reflects, and Taurus is the stability that holds under the surface. Isn't that interesting?